pocket option trading takes so much time, if you are doing it manually. These are my recent trades with GPT Trading Bot. It's free and easy to use. All I do is clicking this button in a mini app and waiting for a positive results. AI trading is all you need in 2026. If you are still trading manually, you are making me really upset. Why would you avoid this opportunity of easing the routine and getting high-quality signals by GPT Trading Bot? The link is in the description. Hop in now and trade with me. Sincerely yours, Sammy.
Moobert. 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 Moobert.